Flossing helps remove food debris, but its main purpose is to remove plaque between the teeth where toothbrushes cannot reach. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria. This bacteria, if not removed, can make your mouth more acidic. This acid can cause tooth decay or caries, which can ultimately lead to tooth cavities. To prevent tooth decay, you should at least floss once daily, especially before bedtime. It is recommended to floss right before brushing your teeth. Break off about 18 inches of floss and wrap it around both of your middle fingers, leaving a couple of inches of floss in between for use. Hold the floss tightly between your thumbs and forefingers, using your index finger to manipulate the floss. Lower the floss between your teeth using a gentle seesaw rubbing motion. Never snap the floss into the gums because you can hurt your gums, which can lead to recession. When the floss reaches slightly below the gum, wrap it into a C shape against one of the teeth. Gently slide it into the space between the gum and the tooth, holding the floss tightly against the tooth. Gently rub the side of the tooth, moving the floss away from the gum with up and down motions. Repeat this method on the other tooth. Do the same for all the teeth, slightly adjusting floss between your middle fingers as each section gets dirty. Don't forget the back surface of the last tooth. Once you're finished, throw the floss away.